Welcome to the Vietnam Sourcing Channel. Today we would like to introduce to you products made from pineapple, an extremely abundant agricultural crop in Vietnam. Pineapple leaves, once considered waste, are now used to create sustainable textile products. 1. Pineapple fiber and yarn. Pineapple fibers are extracted using decorticating machines from the leaves of the Hawaiian pineapple and queen pineapple. These fibers are then sent to spinning facilities to be spun into yarn or blended with other fibers. Pineapple yarn is favored for its low environmental impact compared to synthetic materials. It is plant-based, renewable, and biodegradable, aligning with growing consumer and designer preferences for sustainable products. Unique properties. Pineapple yarn is lightweight, soft, and has a glossy and translucent appearance, making it distinctive. Pineapple yarn, when blended with cotton, becomes more versatile, combining the softness of cotton with the strength of pineapple fibers. This blend is used in various products, including clothing and accessories. 2. Fabric and accessories in fashion industry. 3. Leather products are made from pineapple leaves. 4. Handicraft products made from pineapple leaves. 5. Soap made from pineapple core and peel. If you are interested in any products from Vietnamese pineapple, don't hesitate to leave a comment so we can help you. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the channel valuable, please like and follow to receive more valuable videos.